Yeah, all right. So I want to show you how to quickly log into the WordPress backend of a website and then edit its contents with the installed page builder. All right. So for instance, if we have a site like this, you can just add wp admin to the URL. So then the full thing will be the website address slash wp admin. Then you can hit enter. After that, you should have your email address and username as I've sent your emails or provided to you by your site administrator. Then you can hit login. Good. Now, after a successful login, you'll be, ushered into some sort of dashboard like this. You should know your way around at this point. But a quick way to just jump into the exact page you want to edit is to open a new tab and let's say type the site in again, then locate the page you want to edit. So I want to edit something on, for example, the contact us page. Now, one thing that should indicate that you have successfully logged in is this black bar that comes on top of the page. If the bar is not there, it means you haven't logged in successfully. All right, so I want to edit a page like this, maybe play around with some details over here. What I can just do is on the top bar up here, I can click on this edit with Elementor because Elementor is the page builder I'm using. So I'll say edit with Elementor, not edit page, but edit with Elementor. So you tap on that to and give it a wow. Great. So after opening up, you should see something like this over here. So what you can do is that just hover around whichever details you want to edit. So for instance, I want to edit this over here. Yeah, so I can just tap on this and then put in the what I want over here. So one quick way to do that, sorry, one quick way to do that is to highlight and then change. Okay. Other than that, when you select an element or a block of elements here, on the left hand side, you will see more details over here on how to manipulate them. Then you can click the drop down and then work on it. So you click whichever particular field you want to make the edit on and then work on it. So let's say I want to edit this. So I'll say, let's say I want to change this to Specs Africa. Um, uh, Not Legon, Accra. Okay, so you can see as I do that, it displays here in real time. Now, after I'm done and I'm sure that that's all the changes I want to make. Okay, yeah, let me just edit this out. Let me see. Get in touch to discuss the next big project. All right, so you can see I could type in the left hand side over here, or I could just double click here and type over here too. So whichever way works for you, that's fine. Yeah. So let's say these are all the changes I want to make. Let's say I want to edit the text on this button too. I can just hover on the button and click on this edit button here, and then I can change its content here. So let's say I want to change the number to this number over here. So I'll click first of all, make sure you've clicked on the button. Then up here you can say you can put the number there. Yeah. And then you can change it as well over here in the link over here. Yeah. And close up the spaces. At this point, you should know what all this means. Yeah. So after you are done and you are sure you are done with all the changes, you can go ahead and click on this green button down here, update. Great. So once you hit that, after the button turns to gray, it means that your changes have taken effect. You can check out your page in a new tab. Yeah. So let's check whether our changes have taken effect. Yes, it looks like. Good. So our changes have taken effect. So good, then we are done. Another thing to mention is that if for any reason you want to go back to previous versions, on the dark row over here where you clicked on the update, the third icon, when you hover on it, you see it says what history. When you click on that, it pulls up all the recent activities you just did. Okay, now we have two tabs here, actions and revisions. So when you in an active session, like having logged in now, everything you do is an action. So that is it stated over here. Now revisions are after you have saved it, then it becomes one revision. Okay, so if you want to go back to maybe a previous saved one, you can just indicate or locate the particular time and then revert it. Okay, just tap on it and it will revert to it. All right, so thanks and all the best. After you are done and you want to get out of here, you can just click on this um, should I call it hamburger menu up here and just say exit or view page, whichever works well for you. So decide later. So yeah, that's that, and that's how to do make edits on the page. Thanks. See you. Bye.